Welcome back to AKA Auto Garage, your go-to place for the latest in defense tech, Air Force innovation, and futuristic military aircraft. Today, we're diving into a jet that could change the future of aerial warfare, the F-36 KingsFighter. The F-36 KingsFighter is a conceptual next-gen fighter jet that has captured the attention of aviation enthusiasts and military analysts around the world. Though still in the planning phase, this aircraft is imagined as a hybrid between the 5th and 6th generations of fighter jets. The United States is believed to be developing this platform to bridge the gap between current capabilities and future battlefield demands. At the heart of the F-36 lies an advanced adaptive cycle engine. This next-gen engine is capable of switching between high-thrust and fuel-efficient modes. The KingsFighter is projected to reach speeds of up to Mach 2.5, which puts it far ahead of most current fighters. With thrust vectoring technology, the F-36 will have unmatched maneuverability, making it lethal in close-range dogfights. The F-36 is expected to be packed with artificial intelligence and next-level avionics. From AI-assisted flight controls to augmented reality HUDs, this fighter will reduce the pilot's workload during complex missions. The aircraft's AESA radar system will allow it to track enemy targets from hundreds of kilometers away. It will also have advanced sensor fusion and electronic warfare capabilities, giving it a massive edge in modern combat. Built with a stealth-focused design, the F-36 will have a low radar cross-section, making it nearly invisible to enemy radar. The internal weapons bay will hold a mix of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, including 6 missiles stored stealthily within its body. For special missions, external hardpoints may be used to carry additional munitions. Whether it's dogfighting or precision strikes, the F-36 is expected to be a true multi-role jet. Designed for the battlespace of 2025 and beyond, the F-36 will play a crucial role in the future of U.S. air dominance. It could potentially replace older platforms like the F-22 Raptor and F-15EX, combining speed, stealth, and smart systems into one deadly package. If fully developed, it could lead the next wave of global air superiority. So, what do you think? Could the F-36 KingsFighter be the future of air combat? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in Air Force and defense technology, only on AKA Auto Garage. This video is based on publicly available sources and conceptual data. The F-36 KingsFighter has not been officially launched or confirmed by the U.S. Air Force, and final specifications may change.